What? Can you eat it?
Yeah, got it.
Oh.
Okay. Not milk.
Not milk yet. You didn't get some milk yet, huh?
Yeah.
Is that where it goes?
Go right there.
Okay.
Get some milk.
We're
I
gonna
want
get
to
some.
get some milk.
Alright.
Need some. Get it. No. Put it on. That's dying.
What? What?
I can't do it.
Oh, you can't do it?
No.
Okay, I will take your lid off. There. This one might be too heavy for you to pour by yourself.
Yep.
You think so? Or can you pour it by yourself?
Yep.
Okay, let's try it.
Please try it.
You want me to try it?
Yep.
Not you? Is it too heavy for you to try? I would do it. Okay. Oops, I even spilled it. Okay. Yeah, I did. Are you going to put it back up, or you want me to put the milk back up?
Yeah.
You want me to put it back up?
Thin milk. Thin milk.
Well, I will put it back up since it's too heavy. You want me to stir it for you?
No, I want to do it.
Are you sure?
No, I want to do it.
Well, I can do it pretty good.
No, I want to do it.
Okay.